everyone, welcome to New Bear. Today's video is a quick one just to show you how and when to use the shoelace trick. Now the shoelace trick simply means we are swapping our threads over. Our core thread becomes our working thread and our working thread becomes our core thread. So it's an awesome party trick, but why would we want to swap our threads over? If we're working with the same colour in both of our shuttles and one shuttle starts to run low, we can use the shoelace trick to swap our shuttles and then continue to work using the shuttle that has more thread. This can help us make it to the end of a round without the need to join new thread. Another place we would use the shoelace trick is if we wanted to change colours without cutting and hiding our ends. So you can see I've used it to go from a pink ring with a purple chain to a purple ring with a pink chain, and then everything in pink. When we do the shoelace trick with two colours, we do get a small colour blip. So I'm going to show you how to do the shoelace trick, and then I'm going to show you how to do it so that we don't get that colour blip. If we were to continue on from here, our next ring would be in our purple thread. But we're going to do the shoelace trick. So when you're at the end of an element, make sure that your threads aren't tangled. And now treat your shuttles like the ends of your shoelaces. Cross one over the other. And loop it underneath. And pull that all the way down so that it sits up against your last element. We're now ready to continue on as normal. If you have the same colour in both shuttles and you're using the shoelace trick to eke out your thread, you can do it as many times as you need. So rings use more thread than chains do. You might need to make the shoelace trick a few times, but you can swap your shuttles back and forth so that you're able to make it to the end of your round. As I mentioned earlier, if you're working with two colours and you make the shoelace trick as we have just done, you're going to get a blip of colour. With one minor change, we're able to eliminate that blip. Now if we continued on with our chain, we would have purple chain. So we're going to make that pink. So just like before, we cross our threads over, loop that underneath and pull it down. But before we get all the way down, we want our pink loop to flip. So if we pull on purple, flips our pink, and we can pull it up. Tighten that down, and we can continue on with our chain. So pulling on the purple thread has flipped our pink, encasing the purple and getting rid of that colour blip. I hope you've enjoyed the video. See you next time.